Hey guys, and thank you so much for coming on back to my channel. Really quickly, I wanted to give you guys a quick Christmas apartment tour. I've only decorated, let me see, like 2.5 rooms because like my apartment is a 1 bedroom, but everything is pretty much open concept. I don't decorate my bathroom or my bedroom for Christmas, but I wanted to show you the living room and kitchen slash like dining room area. If this video seems a little rushed or it seems like I'm talking kind of fast or I'm out of breath, that's because one, I'm out of shape for real, and two, I have somewhere to go, but I wanted to get this up to show you guys what my apartment looks like. All of my decorations pretty much were either gifted to me, are from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or dirt cheap. Yeah, so if you have any questions on any of my decorations or anything like that, feel free to shoot me a comment, ask any questions you want to. I hope you enjoy this video. I love how cozy my apartment looks. It makes it so like relaxing to come home from a hard day's work and see all of my lights and all of my decorations. So we're gonna breeze through this pretty quickly. I apologize, like I said again, if it seems rushed, but I got somewhere to go. I gotta go to church, y'all. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoy my tour. Oh, see? They enjoyed it too. Yes. Honk 2 times if you want to see Mia's apartment. There it was. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, we're gonna start at my front door. This is my wreath. I got it from JCPenney on Black Friday. They gave out coupons for $10 off, $10 or more in store, and this was on sale for $14.99, so I ended up getting it for $4.99. I think it's super pretty, very festive, and super cute. All right, let's head in. All right, let's lock up the door. So when you first walk in, this is your view of the living room. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. All right, let's see, where do we start? Let's start with the bar cart. Okay, so my bar cart, I wanted to keep it pretty simple. My mom gave me this little deer guy. He's super cute. So I just put him on here along with the little doggy. Got the candles burning for the mood. As well as this cute little sign. It's kind of hard to see, but it says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." I got this from a place called Roses here. It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like, it's not a discount store, but it's a pretty cheap little store, kind of like a Dollar General, between like a Dollar General and a Kmart. Over here is just my normal little pillows that I always have had in this little basket. I got some pine cones from Dirt Cheap and put them in this little terracotta like cloche pot thing and then added some twinkle lights. I think that's so cute. These are so precious, guys. I love this little 3 set of presents that light up. They are from Dollar General. Let's do a quick pan of my tree with the little star on top. Okay, now let's get into this tree. Alrighty, so this tree is a 6-foot flocked tree from Walmart. I got it last year for about $30. I've always wanted a flocked tree. I think they are so pretty. The only downfall is that they shed like crazy. All of my little ornaments are from Dollar Tree. So these little sparkly ones, the long little ones that look like icicles. And these are kind of hard to see because of the flocking, but also these little snowflakes, all from Dollar Tree, the whole tree, including the star on the top. I think it is so cute. Okay, moving right along. These 2 big, I mean, these things are massive. Like, I know my hand's not a good scale of reference, but these are massive. These 2 big red pillows are from Target. I got them last year for 90% off for $3. Thank you, Target. Love it. These little Santa Clauses. Oh, they're so cute and so little. My mom gave me, she's the Santa Claus queen, so they're just hanging out on my console table, as well as these little pine cones. Just kind of chilling. These cloches are not lit up right now because they're on a timer, but they look so pretty when they're lit up at night with the whole little vibe going on. as well as this little peace sign. Let me close this up. We gotta be presentable for YouTube, guys. Okay, so this little peace sign tucked in here, my mom gave me as well. I think it just adds another layer of cuteness. And these little poinsettias my mom gave me as well. They are fake, but I think it adds a nice touch of Christmassy ready vibes. Moving back a little bit, let's give you guys this pan. Let's see here. This is just a quick pan. Okay, let's move on to the coffee table. Actually, I lied. Let's move over here to my little side table. I got this little joy sign from Dirt Cheap. I think it was originally from Target from last year, as well as this little vase full of ornaments. I got the vase from Hobby Lobby over the summer, and then all the ornaments inside are from, I believe, Dollar Tree, maybe Dollar General, but I got them last year for super, super cheap. I just love it. I think it adds another layer of cuteness and color as well. This video reminds us that we always need to chill a little bit. Don't take life so seriously. All right, still in the living room, here's the couch. But let's scoot and poot over to the coffee table. I love my little coffee table setup. So this little house, I know you guys have probably seen it a million times, is originally from Target. I got it from Dirt Cheap for about $1 and some change. Now it's a little beat up, but I don't mind it. Like, unless somebody's really looking, you can't really tell. This little Noel sign is from Hobby Lobby. And then this little tree was from Target from last year, but I got it from Dirt Cheap for Dirt Cheap. And then I got my little candle going. I think this is Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. So if you're sitting on the couch, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. If you're sitting on the couch, this is your view. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's just so peaceful. I put twinkle lights, I don't know if you can tell, in the inside of this little house so that at night when it lights up, you can see like the little glowing lights from the windows. So precious. Okay, we're up. Don't mind all of my shoes. This is my kind of island area. I got this round tray from Dirt Cheap for like 90% off. I think I paid like $3 for it over the summer. On it, I put some clear bulbs as well as some gold bulbs from Dollar Tree. The clear bulbs aren't from Dollar Tree though, those came from Dirt Cheap. Also, I have 2 more of those little ceramic houses with the twinkle lights in the inside. And then this gorgeous tree, flocked tree, it's 2 foot, from Dollar General, guys. This bad boy is so heavy, it's such good quality, and it was only $5. I mean, let's get into it. Oh my gosh, guys, it's gorgeous, and it's so heavy. It was only $5. If you go to your local Dollar General, you might be able to find some. They have this flocked kind as well as this other kind I'm going to show you as well. I put it in this little galvanized metal bucket, also from Dollar General. It was one of their fall buckets, but it had a little like pumpkin sign or something on it, but it was a sticker, so I just pulled it off and put the little tree in there. Ooh, I just want to eat this little tree. All right, so behind the tray, a little candle just says Merry Christmas. And then the grand finale. Ooh, y'all, I love my kitchen area. So, where do we start? Let's start right here. This little jar, like lantern hurricane thing, is from Kirkland's. I filled it with pine cones and ornaments from, the pine cones are from Dirt Cheap. The ornaments, I believe, are from a place called Roses. Once again, it's kind of like a Kmart down here in the South. I have this little placemat. My mom got it for me from Dollar General, and then I layered my table runners. So the light colored one is from Dirt Cheap. I think I paid like 50 cents for it. and the long black and white striped one I made. They were used at my graduation party as my table runners, and I love how I still have the black and white incorporated into my house. I really like the color scheme, black, white, and gold, but I wanted to add like colors of red because I really like red for Christmas. I don't like orange for Halloween or Thanksgiving, but I really like red for Christmas. So here's just my little centerpiece. But as you sit at the table, you can see everything else. So over here, oh my gosh, y'all, I love this. This little light up present is from Kirkland's, and it is so beautiful. Like, I don't know if you can see the details. It's got the ribbon, the sparkle. It's just like rustic glam, and I am obsessed. I called my mom in store when I saw it, and I was like, please, please talk me out of buying this. Clearly she was unsuccessful because it's in my house. I want more of them, but I just don't have a place to put them, and I'm trying to be more intentional on what I purchase because I have to find a place for all this stuff once I get done with Christmas, and my apartment is not that big. Moving on from this precious little present, we have dun, 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 my buffet. OMG. Ooh, y'all, I love it. I think I like this more than I did. I like this setup, I think, more than my fall setup. I don't know, it's hard. They were both so beautiful. They're both so beautiful, but so different. Okay, let's get into it. This little guy is the twin brother to this little guy over here. He's just tired, so he's resting. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see his little scarf. I mean, come through with your little swag. Yes, okay. So now he is standing up, and he has a little scarf on too. How cute is he? Okay, where do we go? These trees are from Dollar General as well. Now it came with the burlap at the bottom. I mean, look how beautiful. He's 2 foot, guys. 2 feet tall. Oh my gosh, and it's like so full. Like, guys, go to Dollar General, they're legit. Underneath here, like to take up some space, I added little pine cones and those clear bulbs. I like that the clear bulbs look almost identical to this vase back here. You see how I tied that in, guys? Interior designer on the low. Just kidding. Also, I have this peace, love, and joy sign also from Roses. So cute with the little reindeer. You see how I did that? You see? And the trees, do you see? Come on, guys, give me some credit here. Yes, Mia, you go, girl. I'm gonna hype myself up. If nobody else will, I will. Just my little flowers, I always keep them on here. Another little tree, some more little pine cones and bulbs. And then this, this is from, I don't know how well you can see it. It says Shine, Sparkle, Glow. This is a candle from JCPenney. I got it on Black Friday as well. I paid $1 for it. It was on sale for $9.99. I had another 10 off of 10 coupon, so I got it for $1. And then my other tree. Everything in me wants to get one more of these trees, but I literally have nowhere else to put it. Listen, if y'all can figure out a place in my apartment for me to put one of these trees, either the plain one or a flocked one like over there, because they're both from Dollar General. I got 2 plain, 1 flocked. Please tell me so I can have an excuse to go buy another one, because I am more than willing to buy another one. Last thing is this, oh, okay, so don't mind this. We're just gonna stay up here. This beautiful, massive 15-inch all-around square lantern is from Kroger, guys, and it was only $10. And it has these 3 faux LED candles. I mean, they do light up at night. They're on a timer, so I don't want to turn it on because I have my whole like apartment on a timer. But look at the cute little like mistletoe cranberry thingies in the inside. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I mean, and it's big. I think they have them in white as well, but I like the red. Remember, I said I like the red, so I got the red. But I think you should totally go to Kroger if you like this. I think it's definitely worth the $10. So let's back it up. Y'all, it's like Christmas, literally. All right, you guys, so that concludes my tour of my apartment, my Christmas tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'm very proud of myself. I think it came along very beautifully. I don't think you need to spend a lot of money. When it comes to Christmas decorations, you can be practical, you can be thrifty, and you can be on a budget. Like I said, everything that I had was either gifted to me or it came from Dollar Tree, Dirt Cheap, Dollar General, or somewhere else that was super inexpensive. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, you can subscribe, or you can always leave me a comment asking any questions that you need. This is just one last quick pan of what my living room and kitchen look like. And yeah, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, a happy holiday, and you have fun decorating your home as well. I'll see you guys in the next one.